So here we're going to continue with figuring out what the rule is. So this is rental by cost. Remember, input and independence is the same thing. So whatever you input in, it's your independent variable, which is the letter X. And in this case, it represents the number of hours. And for your output is your dependent variable, which is letter Y, and in this case, it represents the cost. So we need to figure out the relationship between X and Y, or your input and output, or your independent and dependent variable. So in this case, I have 2, and it goes to 14, 3 goes to 21, and 4 goes to 28. So I'm thinking that it's going to be times 7. So I'm going to go ahead and put times 7. So 2 times 7 gives you 14, correct? 3 times 7 gives you 21, correct? And 4 times 7 gives you 28, correct? So in order for me to write a generic equation, I'm going to go ahead and put y is equal to x, well, 7x. I'm going to put 7x because 7 and x, when you have a number next to a variable, that means multiplication. So this means 7 times x, so y equals 7 times x. So in this case, because it's multiplying, the rule is to multiply, then my answer is going to be multiplicative. So go ahead and go to the assignment and make sure that you put in times 7 on all of them and then put in your equation. So make sure you do that and then go to the next one on your own.